You can't get used to it. The spontaneous drop of the bodies. I've seen it before, but it was always from a distance. Now it's my turn. When the watch reaches 0, you don't have to wait long before you drop. My watch reached 2 minutes now, and is counting down. I'm going to die today. When I was little, they would always tell me that everybody's time will come, and that death is the end of a journey. But I was never afraid of dying. What I'm really afraid of is having to be one of the ones who tend to the dead, day after day, with no way out. It's the worst fate.
I can't.